Hello everyone, in this video I am creating models of atoms. I will be making models of the Dalton atom, Thomson atom, Rutherford atom and Bohr atom. Firstly, I am using a flat board to place the atom models on, and I am painting this board. Then I am writing my company's name on the board and finishing it. Next, I am attaching the atomic models that I previously designed and painted using a 3D printer onto the board. After that, I am attaching cards containing information about each atomic model. Finally, I am completing the model.